Older versions of the presentation might have information you want to have easy access to, or that you need to work with. So, in Slides, you can make a copy of a specific version of your presentation. We'll enter some text into the slide so we can show you how to make a copy of a version. First, click the File menu. Next, move your mouse to the version history and then select See Version History from the menu that opens. Find the version you want to make a copy of and click More Actions. From the menu that opens, select Make a Copy. You can then change the name of the copy and choose the folder you want it to be put in. If the presentation is shared with other people, you can check the box next to Share it with the same people, and your collaborators will get this new copy as well. When you're done, click OK. We'll cancel this for now. Congratulations, you now know how to make a copy of a version of your presentation.